Hello everyone, I'm Prarona Karmakar from class 8.
Shreejita Mukherjee from class 7.
Shankahdeep from class 7, A Public School, Cooch, Behar.
Today we are presenting a project that did not have any proper solution till now and can be revolutionary in times of emergency response purpose. Here in Epic Public School's Innovation Week, we always try to solve real life problems. And for the Macmillan Budding Scientist project, we thought of doing the same. In thousands of small towns like ours, we have found that it becomes very difficult to carry the patients downstairs or upstairs where there are stairs involved. In most small towns, buildings do not have lifts or ramps and the medical personnel carry the patients up or down the stairs with a lot of difficulty.
To solve this issue, we have been trying to design a bed that can be moved along the stairs. But it was not easy, as we found no other prior instance where a similar thing was made.
With our limited resources, we wanted to make something that is not expensive and can be replicated quickly and is easy to use. We finally designed our stretcher bed for patients that can also climb up and down the stairs.
To make this, we learned various skills like woodwork, working with mechanical crankshaft technology and controlling torques through powerful motors. In short, we had to apply mechanical, electronics and constructional knowledge all together.
After a lot of rework and redesigning, we finally came up with this unique model, which can be controlled by the paramedics or even at certain situations by the patient themselves.
Now, let us demonstrate our project. First, we make the small prototype. Let me show you how it works. Now, let us come to the bigger version. We have a powerful motor at the back which moves the bed. And also two powerful motors at the front which rotates the climbing wheels. This way the bed will climb up or down the stairs.
We are planning to take this to a bigger platform by collaborating with manufacturing companies so that small towns like us can benefit and the patients can be carried easily in a better way.
Thank you.
Thank you.